Welcome to the Zoodle Lab.
The invisible wind.
Whoa, where did that come from?
The wind moved it!
But we can't see the wind, so how do we know it's there?
Did you know wind is just air moving from one place to another? But why does it move? Let's find out.
The wind is invisible, but it makes things move.
But what makes wind blow?
Did you know warm air rises and cold air rushes in to take its place? That's what makes wind.
So we need warm and cool air to make wind? Let's test it!
Let's make a paper windmill. Here's what you'll need.
We'll cut and fold this into a windmill shape.
This will help us see the wind spin it.
Nothing's happening.
Try blowing on it. Whoa, it's working!
I have turbo wind power.
The stronger the wind, the faster it spins!
Wind is powerful. That's why we use it for windmills, fans, and kites.
Did you know some places use wind to make electricity? It's called wind energy.
Today we learned that wind is moving air.
And we can see wind by watching how it moves things.
And we can use wind to power things like our windmills.
Now it's your turn. Ask your parents to help you make your own windmill and see how the wind moves it.
Keep learning, keep exploring, and see you next time at the Zoodle Lab.